Alright, y'all ready to get this party started? Y'all know who it is, man. Mr. Y9. Man, y'all sit back, relax. Make sure you hit the like button, comment button, tell me what you think about it. Let's go.
What you finna say? What would you say? What would you say? Hold on, gang. I got two chairs, yeah. They go to water over there. All right, gang, man. We in the grocery store, man. Finna grab something to drink, some water and stuff. We finna get ready to hit the car show. So we gotta stay hydrated. So we're gonna grab some water and some ice and see what. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Count much better. Finna grab some water and some ice. You said grab what? Which one? All right, we're finna get some spring water, some ice, and some most. I guess there's some good water.
Little things.
Nah, that's a waste of time right there. Somebody get that little water. That's a waste.
I just saying, that's a little bit mild as water. See what you gotta get.
I mean, that one. That's all shit. Okay, I just grabbed one in a little bottle. Okay. Hey, that's all I'm trying to get. We need to grab some fun stuff. You say snacks and stuff. Like what?
Yeah, I wasn't saying like snacks, but like some the little bottles of drink.
The little what? Oh,
You know what I'm talking about.
nah, I don't. How you doing?
Down this way.
Oh, she trying to get some. She trying to get some alcohol. She trying to get some. She trying to get some alcohol, y'all. This ain't this is too. It's too hot for that. I got my girl. I got my girl Cola with. We're in the grocery store. Let y'all check it out. We just gonna watch her walk. Yeah, what's up, man?
Get some of this.
What's that?
These right here.
Grab a pack. I mean, in there. Yeah, we get that up front. Oh, we're gonna get some. We're gonna see where the damn popsicle stay frozen. This ice. Hey, y'all think popsicle stay frozen in a cooler? Excuse me. We're gonna see some popsicle. So we finna go to a car meet, car show. So we just get some little thing to put in the cooler while we outside. Popsicle, there's some, yeah. I was thinking popsicle stay frozen in the cooler. Probably not. They're gonna be covered with ice. You got that right there. That's fun, huh? That's enough. If you want to get one. Yeah, she is.
Okay, then. So they can't have that. What about some of these pops?
Man, I was there looking at.
Okay, then you got.
These things gonna stay cold in there.
Let's put it in the bottom. Unless it don't.
We're gonna see if they stay cold, frozen. That's too. Is that too many?
That one, maybe.
good? Okay. All right, gang, man. We got some water. We got some popsicles. We got something to drink. I don't know. Probably not. It's just us. Just us. So. Finna get this grocery right quick. So I'm gonna holler at y'all again, man. We about this stove. We don't got us some ice. We don't got us some chips. Put some chips, something to drink, so we can stay hydrated. That should do it. Go back over here. Woo! Right, we're gonna ride this. I gotta go through a cola with me. See, we're wrapping that mask out mafia shirt. You know what I mean? Mask out. So we're gonna ride this. We're gonna ride this shade till it run out real quick. Woo. Huh? Lord, that's crazy. Dang, I look that old, y'all. Woo, them things is blinging over there. It's on beam. Them things is on beam, man. I rap that one, I rap that one, I rap that one. I'm just rapping everything.
I thought you was taking the
All right, gang.
White scooters.
Alright, gang, man, back up in here, man. Don't pull it up down here at the car show, down here in Olive Branch, Mississippi, man. It's a good turnout. So we still got cars pulling up in here. And, man, I'm going to give y'all some of the content out of these slingshot pulling up in here, man. There's going to be a lot of copyright, so I'm going to have to throw something over there. So let me get y'all these slingshot pulling up in here. Let's go. hold on for a minute. I gotta get. All right, guys. So y'all know I'm Mr. Why Not. So how about Miss Why Not came and found me?
I did. I said, why not? Mr. Why not? Nope. This is the why not.
Her name is
Why Not?
Her name is Why Not.
That's
So
hard.
I'm rocking with it. That's what's up. Appreciate you. I like that. I gotta come see what you driving.
Why not?
Guy, look, how did I miss that? I missed that, child. I missed that. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me get focused. Alright, guys. So her name is, my name, I'm Mr. Why Not, so this is Miss Why Not. So she came over here so I can see her slingshot. So her name Why Not. So let me show you what she rides. She riding this thing right here. This is Miss Why Not. I like that. I like that. This her name right there. Why not? Hey, she hard too. She hard too. I like that. This Why Not right here. Why not? You know what I mean? So that's her name right there. So I like that. All right, cuz that's her right there. Her right there. Her right there. Hey, she riding good. She riding this slingshot. Y'all know I'm right over there. So that's what's going on. Yeah. Hey, we out here vibing, man, you know. Y'all know we're gonna have a lot of copyright going on, but we out here vibing. I got the ladies out here, we out here chilling. Y'all see my boy Big Snow all the way down here from Miami, in the M, man. He down here in the M. He was down there in the M, now he down here in the M. And we in Memphis, he in Memphis with it. You know, so yeah, we out. Hey man, this thing just dropped, man. This thing dropped, oh my God. Look how that thing that's sitting on the ground right there. Snow bunny. This snow bunny right here. This snow bunny. Like I like this, man. I like this. I can get the inside, my guy. I can get the inside. Man, red everything. Red carbon fiber right there. He got a red going through the seat. Got the roof red and everything, man. That's hard right there, man. That's hard body right there. I like that. Got the roof right there. And all that. Got the snow bunny right there. Snow bunny right there. I like that. That's cool. That's hard right there. Red and white, that's cool. I like how the front made, how that thing sitting on the ground right there. I got the red on the bottom right there, the red light. That's cool, that's hard right there. It's sitting down low too, man. See how it dropped down to the ground. Man, you got an Instagram or something?
Shop Boys Customs. That's be our shop page. That's where we do build custom cars. They be on Instagram and Facebook. Shop
Okay.
Boys Customs.
Okay, I'm gonna check that out, man. I'm
I
gonna check that
appreciate
out. Mr. Why Not 392, man.
All right,
That's me
got
right there.
Okay.
Yeah, you clean, my guy.
I
You
appreciate
clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My guy clean. All right, gang, man. Let's get some more of these cars. We finna start up here. I'm gonna put some music over there because there's gonna be a lot of copyright going on, man. I'm gonna let y'all see some of these cars down here at the car show. She been going off all day, y'all. All day she been going off. Now she got something to calm her down. She got something to calm her down.
Hey y'all, I got top five. So I gotta be doing something.
That's what I'm talking about. Feel better. This up right here. Yeah, I like that. Uh-oh. Yeah. Y'all see what it is, man. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. Yeah. I like that. like I said, but I'm proud of my team, man. Everybody eating. Everybody eating. They happy. Oh, I didn't get that, my bad. Look, y'all see it, man. Come on, man. Y'all see that mask off on. Y'all see it. Come on, man. All right, guys, I'm finna get up out of here, man. This is the real one.